Good day, my name is Don Ramsay. I'm a senior solutions consultant here at Binary Stream Software. I'd like to talk to you today for a few minutes about the monthly recurring revenue report. Many of the people I talk to are keeping all of their data for their contracts and their deferrals in Excel spreadsheets. Powerful tool. But yet at the end of the month, there's a tremendous amount of manual calculations and manual entries to put into the system to make sure you record the appropriate information in your ERP. If you're using Business Central, we have a tool called Subscription Billing Suite that has built-in reporting capabilities for you. Let me give you an example. Up here, the Advanced Recurring Contract Billing Report menu, you'll see the monthly recurring revenue report. If I click on that and just simply fill in the dates of the range that I want, I'll use 2021. Let's go take a quick look at it. Now I can send this to a scheduler, I can send this to an Excel spreadsheet or a PDF, or we can simply view it on screen as we're going to do right here, right now. So you notice this one-page report. I've got my beginning MRR, all the adjustments down to my ending MRR, and I've got it per period, including predictions into the future. So let's take a look at July, for example. And when I get into July, I can make sure I filter that exact month. We'll say 7 in 2021, and let's go preview. And when I bring this up, it's going to give me a PDF report with all the details for every contract that I have within Business Central. It's going to give me customer names. It's going to give me item numbers, dollar amounts. And as you can see right here, a 5-page total of every single thing that happened in the month of July 2021. No manual effort required. The data is being captured and managed by SBS itself. One additional tool to take a quick look at. If you notice down here, Power BI, which is a very powerful Microsoft reporting tool, we've taken advantage of that power and we built an MRR report right into Power BI as well. So you'll notice here, I can filter by the year, a schedule or contract number, a customer name. And if you know anything about Power BI at all, it has the power to do this. I can click on any data point and immediately drill down to the information that might be in that particular period. Or down at the bottom, go to my details, new sales, beginning MRR, upgrades or downgrades, and see exactly what's happening. So rather than manually managing all of this in an Excel spreadsheet and then giving yourself a chance of having human error in your calculations, SBS can automatically manage your monthly recurring revenue reports into the future, into the past, in Power BI, or through the built-in reports that come on the database that Business Central sits on. Hope you enjoyed this and you have a great day.